Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to BNB Smart Chain. This process allows you to access a vast ecosystem of decentralized applications and services. We will walk through preparing your wallet, ensuring it is ready for seamless interaction. By the end, you will understand how to confidently use your Trust Wallet on the BNB Smart Chain, opening up many new possibilities for your crypto journey. Let's dive right in. To begin, make sure your Trust Wallet application is completely up to date. The good news is that the BNB Smart Chain, also known as BEP20, is usually pre-configured within Trust Wallet. This means you typically do not need to manually add network details. Simply open your wallet and look for the BNB Smart Chain asset. It should be readily available, making your initial setup incredibly straightforward and user-friendly. Once your wallet is ready, the next crucial step is to fund it with BNB tokens. You can purchase BNB from a major cryptocurrency exchange or transfer it from another wallet. When sending, ensure you select the BNB Smart Chain network for the transfer. Carefully copy your Trust Wallet's BNB Smart Chain address and paste it into the sending platform. Always perform a quick double check of the address before finalizing the transaction to prevent any loss. With BNB in your wallet, you are now ready to explore the vast world of decentralized applications on the Smart Chain. Open the D-App browser within Trust Wallet and search for your desired application. When you interact with a D-App, your wallet will prompt you to confirm transactions. These actions require a small amount of BNB for gas fees, typically just a few cents. Enjoy seamless and secure interactions across the BNB Smart Chain ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.